What's going on, mi gente? This is Profe Gallo, and in this video, 4 major airlines have teamed up with Airbnb to reward you for your stay. Let's get into it. What's going on, mi gente? This is Profe Gallo. Did you know that you can earn airline miles by booking your reservation with Airbnb? Yes, it is that simple. 4 major airlines have teamed up with Airbnb to reward you for your stays. Let's get into it. The first airline, Delta Airlines. Now, if you are a Delta Sky Miles member, you can earn 1 point for every dollar spent on your Airbnb. Basically, you just need to go into the Delta Airbnb portal, sign in with your Delta Sky Miles account, book your stay, and your miles will be credited to your Sky Miles account within 6 to 8 weeks. It is that simple. The second airline is Qantas. Qantas is an Australian airline, and if you have your frequent mileage account with Qantas, all you have to do is sign in to the Qantas Airbnb portal and book your stay. Now you earn 1 mile for every Australian dollar spent on your Airbnb. Usually, your account is credited within 8 weeks of booking your stay. In addition, with Qantas, you'll earn a bonus of 500 points on your first Airbnb reservation through this portal. The third airline is British Airways. Now, British Airways will give you 2 avios for every US dollar, euro, or British pound spent on your Airbnb reservation. Remember, this does not include taxes. All you have to do is sign in to the British Airways Airbnb portal, book your reservation. The avios will be credited to your account within 60 days. And remember, avios can be transferred to other airlines that use the same avios currency, such as Qantas Airways, Iberia, etc. The fourth airline is ANA, and ANA is a Japanese airline. Now, with ANA, you will earn 1 mile for every 200 yen, Japanese yen, spent on your Airbnb reservation. All you have to do is log into your ANA Mileage Club account on the ANA Airbnb page, book your reservation, and your account will be credited within 2 to 3 months. Now remember, ANA is part of Star Alliance, so all your miles earned with ANA, you can actually use to book reservations for all Star Alliance and other airlines partner with ANA. So to make the most of these offers, you should book through the airline's dedicated portal to ensure you earn miles. Use the same name on both your Airbnb and airline loyalty accounts. Avoid booking through third-party sites or apps that might not track your stay. And also, check for first-time user bonuses if you're new to Airbnb. And remember, taxes and fees typically do not count toward earning miles. Now, the bonus airline I'm going to throw in here is not partnered with Airbnb, but it is partnered with Vrbo, which works similarly to Airbnb. While not Airbnb, United Mileage Plus members can earn 3 miles for every dollar spent on Vrbo vacation rentals. All you have to do is book through United's Vrbo portal to take advantage of this offer. So the next time you're planning a getaway, be sure you look at these airline portals if you plan on using Airbnb or Vrbo. It's a simple way for you to make your travel go further, as you're earning rewards that you can use for additional travel in the future. So this is Profe Gallo. Safe travels. Peace.